السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي. Welcome back, dear brothers and sisters. I welcome you all to Medina Book 2, class 65 today, inshallah. So, what are we going to learn today? So, inshallah, today we're going to do a lesson where Dr. Abdul Rahim brings us duals. So, he wants us to learn how to recognize the duals. So, basically, what I've thought is to bring you where these duals are used. So we know there are three places where you need to identify how the duals look like. One is the nouns, and there is the verbs you need to know, and another one is the pronoun. So we know these nouns and pronouns, they can all come in, on verbs they come in three positions. So let's see what are the three positions what we see. So one is where both noun, pronouns and verbs, they can be marfu, and nouns and pronouns and the verbs, they also can be mansub. But however, the nouns and pronouns, they are differ. They can be majroor, and whereas the verbs, they differ and they can be majzoom. So these are the basic differences in nouns, pronouns and verbs, where the verbs can be majzoom, the fa'al can be majzoom, and the pronouns they can be majroor. So let's try to take some examples and see how to identify these things. So if you take ism, which is a noun, and see what are the things which makes it marfu, mansub and majroor. So when marfu, so what we have to identify the dual is that it will be ani. So any noun when you see ending with ani, that means it is dual and it is marfu. And when you see aini and aini, so it's a type here, it is shall be kasra here. So aini and aini, it will be dual. For example, if you say kitabani, kitabaini and kitabaini, muslimani, muslimaini, muslimaini. So this is how you identify the duals in the marfu, mansub and majroor form. So we know what comes in before. It tells you whether it is marfu and majroor, but in both the situation it looks same. So if we take a fa'al, so we'll see how it looks like in a fa'al. For the marfu, and same here, marfu, mansub and majzoom. And marfu, again, it has ani, and in mansub it looks ani, but what's the noon has been taken away, so it's been hadafi noon where it becomes mansub. And even majroor, it's supposed to be ani, but by hadafi noon, so what is left is this alif muthanna, so alif of dual. So any verb which is ending with this alif, so we have to be very careful to see whether this is alif of muthanna and understand in a proper way. Let's pick some examples, inshallah. Like if you say yadhabani is marfu bisubuti noon, فعل مضارع مرفوع, and we know the moods of mudara is they're only in mudara, it's not in madi and amr. So it's فعل مضارع مرفوع بثبوت نون, فعل مضارع منصوب بحذف نون, and فعل مضارع مجزوم بحذف نون. So لن يذهبا, so you both will not go, and لم يذهبا, you both did not go. So this is how you. So if you say تذهبان, so duals when you're speaking, you see in the third person and second person. When we're talking about first person, we always use ana and nahnu. So we don't use dual for in first person. So it's dual in only in third person, they and you. So tadhhabani, lan tadhhaba, lam tadhhaba. So, and this is holds good for both feminine and masculine, where the signs of dual remain the same. So there's another category, damir, which we need to know how to identify the duals. So again, in duals in damir we have marfu and we have mansub and majroor. So how to identify marfu in the third form, in third person? So it'll be quite straightforward because it's all the forms. It will be huma. So marfu will be huma, mansub will be huma, and Majroor, Majzoom will be huma. And whereas in second person the things will change. In second person, what you will say, marfu will be antuma. Marfu will be antuma, and mansub and majzoom will be kuma. So this is what we need to remember: antuma and kuma. So based on this overall picture in where these duals are used, what we do now is we inshallah go to lesson number 30. I think I made a mistake in previous class where I said lesson number 30 is the aqsam al-fi'l, but that is a part of lesson number 29. So this is lesson number 30, which is on duals. So again, there's a conversation between students and teacher. So let's see how these duals are constructed and built. Yakhifu. So we know waqafa, to stop or to he stand. He stood, and yakhifu is standing. Bilbab, standing by door. Fatayan. So just giving a pictures a scene here. So by the door, Fatayan is two young boys. Fatan is a young boy and two young boys. This is Al-Mudarris say, Udkhula man antuma. So udkhula, so we know, dakhala yadkhulu, udkhul is fa'al amr for anta, and for antuma it will be udkhula. It's alif muthanna for both of you. You're telling in one word, udkhula, both of you enter. So man antuma, so who are you both? Antuma is who are you both. So one of them, ahaduhuma. So if we say ahaduhuma, one of them. So here ahadu is your mudaf and mudaf ilayhi is majroor. So if we say, it still looks like a huma. There's no change. Nahnu talibani jadidani. So we are taliban. Talibun is a student. Taliban means two students. So we're not talking about any other. Taliban means two students. Jadidan is new. So the nath has to match the man'ud. So whatever, if it is dual, it has to be dual. If it is single, it has to be single. If you see here, it is also dual. So we are two new students. So Mudarris says, Marhaban bikum. Welcome. Marhaban bikuma. So if it is all of you, say, I welcome you all. So here specifically saying you both. So Marhaban bikuma. Min aina antuma. So where are you both from? So min aina antuma. So again we can see here this alif also represents alif muthanna antuma. So he says, so that here who are represents to ahaduhuma, one who is talking. So he said, where are you from? He says nahnu min as-Sin. So we are from China. So nahnu mubtada, min as-Sin jar majrur shibhu jumla khabar. Says al-Mudarris, mata wasaltuma ila al-madinatil munawwarati. So mata, you know, harful istifham. So how do you say when? Wasala, so he arrived. Wasal, you know, from mutaharrik pronouns. So the lam kalima gets a sukun. So we have antatumatum. So tuma means you both. So when did you both? Wasal tuma ilal madinatil munawwarati. So that's your file. So when did you come to Madinatil Munawwara? So again he says wasalna. So we arrived. We came. That's the file, and na is the file. So we came yesterday. So that means ata'umani antuma. See, ata'umani. A is your harful istifham. So what is ta'umani? Ta'umani means twins. So are you both twins? Antuma. Ata'umani antuma. It says again, نعم. وكيف عرفت ذلك يا أستاذ? So it says yes. And how did you know? كيف عرفت? How did you know? So it's very important to translate it properly. Or how, it's not how do you know? How did you know that? So here that is your maf'ulun bihi, ya ustaz. So how did you know that, ya ustaz? It says عرفت. So I knew من الشبه. So من الشبه الذي بينكما. So it's a similarity So it's a shabahat, we say in Urdu. So it's a shabiha. So alladhi again is not coming, which is ism mawsula, and bainakuma is silatul mawsul. And I ask ma asma'ukuma. So I just need to note here, what are your names? So it's not dual here. So the reason why is because anything which is singular, like name is unique for one person, for example. So that when you do talk in duals, so you bring a plural noun. For example, اغسلا وجوهكما. This is Dr. Abdurrahim explains in the cases. اغسلا وجوهكما. So wajhun is face, it's not wajhani, wujuhakuma. It's only one face a man has, one name a person has. So whenever you have a situation where there's only one thing is unique to one, so when you're talking about duals, you can bring a plural noun. So that's why it says ma asma'ukuma. So what are your both names? He says ismi. So it's now ismu is mubtada wa huwa mudaf ya mutakallim. My name is Al-Hasanu. So khabar. Wa akhi, and my brother. Wa akhu plus ya mutakallim wa akhi. My brother ismuhu, and his name is Al-Husayn. So Hassan and Hussein, you have, Hassanun and Hussein is the ismu tasghir on the pattern of fu'ailun. So the pattern for is a chota Hussein, you can say as small Hussein. So Al-Mudarris says Alakuma. See again, is harf al-istifham, la is your harf jar, and kuma is ism majrur. So we have to identify how many letters are there. In one word, there are 3 words built in. So do you have? That's what it means here. Alakuma ikhwatun wa akhwatun. So ikhwatun means brothers, wa akhawatun is sisters. So now Hassan speak. So now Hassan is speaking. He says Naam lana. So we know la is your harf jar, which is actually li, for the phonetics becomes la. So lahu, lahuma, lana. So na is your ism majrur. So we have, here it means we have. So what is, you can guess what it is. Ikhwan wa ukhtan. Two brothers and 2 sisters. Lana akhwan wa ukhtan. So now again we have to see amma is coming. So whenever we know from book 1 that whenever amma comes, we're looking for fa. So ammal akhawan, and as for the brothers, fayamalan. Say fa comes here to describe. So whenever amma comes, you have to look for the fa. So then as for them, ya'malan, so they are working fi maktabi khutut jawiyya. So what is khutut jawiyya? Khutut means lines, jawiyya means air. So here it means airlines. So they're working in airlines. So as for my brothers, they're working in office in airlines. وَقَدْ darasa. So we know qad, we know is harf tahqiq. In madi, whenever the action has been done in the past, you use qad. So darasa is your madi. So qad comes with madi to emphasize. And there's another aspect of qad we're going to learn later, inshallah. When it comes to mudari', that means it may be. So here it is, they've definitely done the action. Qad darasa. So darasa, he studied. Darasa, alif muthanna, that means they both studied. See, fi ma'a hadil lughati hada. So ma'ad means center. So this, so again hada here is coming as a naat for ma'ahadi. So we know when mudaf ilayhi, you cannot separate them, and when whatever naat comes, it has to come afterwards. So in this language, center. So this is how you translate. So for truly they have studied in this language center qabla sanawat, before few years. Wa amma. So again we are getting amma. Wa ammal ukhtan. So ammal ukhtan. So hada comes to that. Fatadrasan. See, fa is your for amma. Tadrasan means, see, if you see here, So darasa was the madi, and now here it's mentioned about mudari'. So that ta is your alamat mudari'. So we need to show who it's talking about. So it's third person, which means huma for two females, and ani means for the marfu. So they are studying. So this is how we translate. They are studying fil madrasati thanawiyati, in secondary school. So come from ithnan, thanawiya, secondary. Kanat. So you say again here, kana means it have naqis fa'al, which will have ism and khabar. So we're looking for ism here, the sign of marfu. So where do we look for marfu? Do we look for dhamma, or for the dual do we look for noon? So here we see ukhtan. So it's ending with noon. So the sign of marfu, we know that now. So how do we translate? So kanat lana ukhtan. So there were. So what were? So two sisters were for us before. So we had two sisters. That's how you translate. And ukhrayan. So what is ukhrayan? So if you see same i'rab, it's ending with noon, marfu, and marfu, that becomes naat. So we had. So there were two more sisters, two another sisters for us. Matata. So if you see what is that is kanat, looking for ism and khabar. So that is ism, and matata is your khabar. So what is matata is jumlatul fa'liya, coming as a khabru kana. So it comes from the fa'al mata, means he died. Taw tanisi and alif musanna. So we know each and everything here, alhamdulillah. So they both females, they both died. So we had two another sisters. Fis sigari. So what is sigari? It comes from sagir, small. So when they're in the childhood, when they were small. في أي كل teacher is asking في أي كلية تريدان. See, في أي كل which university do you want? See, تريد is one person, you, أنت, and تريدان is أنتما, sign of مرفوع. So now we're looking for, we know whenever تريد it will have المصدر المعول coming as a مفعول به. So what do we have here? أن تدرس. So how do you describe تدرس? فعل منصوب علامة نصبه بحذف نون. So the noon has been dropped because of an. So حرف نصب ومصدرين. So أن تدرس. So in which faculty do you both want to study? بعد دراسة اللغة العربية, after the studying of the language of Arabic. So بعد is your zarf, and what comes to zarf is مضاف إليه وهو مضاف, and اللغة is again فعل مضاف إليه, and العربية is not. So how do we translate? After studying of Arabic language. So that's how we translate. So the naat comes first and then man'ud. So this is the sequence. If we know, so then you'll be able to translate and understand properly, inshallah. So and now Hussein is talking now. Hussein is telling Uridu. So I want. So here looking at the Arab here, so just for the first person. So Uridu an adrusa. So even if there's no vowel signs, we will be knowing now it is an adrusa, coming as a maf'ulun bihi, for I want to study bikulliyati shar'iyya. So I want to study in the faculty of Sharia. And ammal hasanu. And as for Hasan, fa. So again fa, it's coming here. And as for Hasan, fa yuridu an yadrusa. And he wants to study bikulliyati al-Quran al-Kareem, in the faculty of Al-Quran al-Kareem. Al-Mudari says wafaqakum Allahu. So what is wafaqqa? Wafaqqa means to grant success, or he grant success, and where we're looking for the file here. So Allah grants success to you both. So here kuma, we know it is damir muttasil. It's coming is here mansoob, because coming as a maf'ulun bihi. So that's how we need to identify which part is dual. Wafaqqakum Allahu. And we can say wafaqqana Allahu, may Allah grant us success. It's a nice dua to say. So says Al Hasan says nuridu an nadhhaba. So we want to go. An nadhhaba al masdar al muawwal في محل نصب مفعول به إلى المراقب. What is مراقب? Is the supervisor. We want to go to the supervisor. We want to go to the supervisor. So it says المدرس says لا تذهبا. See, very cleverly becomes لا ناهية. So we need to say what effect this la is having. It's made the فعل مجزوم. So how do we know it's مجزوم? بحذف نون. So if you see, if the noon was there, then the whole meaning will change. So you are not going. So now it says, don't you both go. إليه, to him, الآن, now. فإنه. So again, we are going to study here why this fa has come, inshallah, in book 3. So we'll understand. So just remember that don't go. So why they should not go? That's the reasoning. So because here, because فإنه, truly he is the inna. So we know it will have ism mansoob and khabar marfu, so it will be mashghulun. So even there is no vowel sign, we will know, oh, فَإِنَّهُ مَشْغُولٌ, and truly he is busy. Don't go to him now, he truly is busy. يمكنكما. See, يمكن أمكن يمكن. We know أمكن يمكن will have al-masdar. So that's just giving you the fa there. That's the khabar. And أن تذهب comes as a fa'il for أمكن يمكن. So it's connected to يمكن. So it is possible for you to go. يمكنكما. It is possible for you both to go. إليه, to him. بعد انتهاء الحصة. So what is it? انتهى is the finishing, is the end of the chapter or the section or the segment, what you can say. So is it possible for you both to go to him after this section or this session is finished of بعد الحصة, انتهاء الحصة. اذهبا. So now he's telling you both go. So it's an amr now. So if you say amr, also مجزوم بحذف نون. الآن إلى المكتبة وخذ الكتاب المقررة. So what is this here? So اذهبا means he's telling go now. Ba is go now. That's the فعل أمر. الآن إلى المكتبة. إلى المكتبة, she's telling them to go now to the library. Here it means library. وخذ. So خذ أخذ يأخذ. خذ means take. It says go and take الكتاب المقررة. So خذ الكتاب is with منصوب, so مفعول به, and المقررة. So it's a designated books. مقرر. So it's in Urdu, it's مقرر means it is appointed or it is like a prescribed book. So it's a خذ الكتاب مقررة. Okay, we're just going to do some exercises from the same lesson. So it says here ضع في الفراغ في كل جملة مما يأتي الفعل ذهب الماضي. So we're going to use the فعل ذهب in the ماضي بعد إسناده إلى ضمير مناسب. So whichever the appropriate ضمير. So we see what we have here. So because it's a dual exercise, you can expect all to be duals, inshallah. This is أين خالد وحامد. So where is Khalid and Hamid? So it's a ذهب, the past tense. So ألف ألف مثنى فعل ماضي إلى المكتبة, to the library. ذهب إلى المكتبة. We're going to go a little bit fast. So we're going to cover the few exercises here, inshallah. So أين آمنة وأختها. So أخت is your مضاف and ها is مضاف إليه ضمير متصل. So where is Amina and her sister? ذهبتا. So تاء تانيثي ألف مثنى. So ذهبتا, they both went إلى المستشفى لإيادة أمهما. So لي حرف جر, إيادتي اسم مجرور وهو مضاف. إيادتي means to visit a sick person. So أمي is مضاف إليه وهو مضاف and هما is مضاف final مضاف إليه. So to visit their aunt أمهما. أين ذهبتما. So where are you going? Where did you go? أمس. So yesterday. يا أخوان. So where did you go? Yesterday. إلى الطبيبة. So did you go to the doctor? ذهبتما يا بنتان. So if you see أنتما, both مذكر and مؤنث, it's the same. So there is not much confusion. So you can just blindly use ذهبتما. So إلى الطبيبة ذهبتما يا بنتان. So this is the ماضي. And let's see the مضارع. So here in this exercise ضع في الفراغ في كل جملة مما يأتي الفعل يذهب. So the مضارع form of يذهب to be for the duals. So أحمد وإبراهيم, so it's third person, يذهبان إلى الملعب كل يوم. So they go to play every day. So كل, you know, comes as a مضاف, and يوم ظرف. أين, so you see who is directly يا, when it comes يا, so it is second person in front of you. So ولدان, so أين تذهبان, so where are you going? Oh, to something. الطالبتان, see تاوتاني, see here ta, so it's a students, female students. الطالبتان الجديدتان تذهبان. So again you see here أنت and أنتما, it's both same. So تذهبان إلى المصلى. So two new students going to the place of salah, إلى المصلى. So متى تذهبان. So see again here أختان, so two sisters. So you say asking, so when are you going? متى تذهبان إلى الصيدلية. صيدلية is pharmacy. يا أختان, when are you going to pharmacy? Oh sisters. So again here good practice for أمر now in the duals. So ضع في الفراغ في كل جملة مما يأتي فعل الأمر. Again the same verb اذهب. الضمير مناسب بعد إسناده إلى الضمير مناسب. So I say يا أخوان اذهبا, so two brothers, go إلى المسجد الآن, go to masjid now. اذهبا, so إذا فعل مضارع مجزوم بحذف نون. So يا بنتان or daughters, again اذهبا, so same because تذهباني, so ta is taken away, noon is dropped. So اذهبا إلى مكتب المديرة, so go to the office of the head teacher. So أمام كل جملة, so this exercise مما يأتي فعل مضارع مرفوع أكمل به الجملة البعد تغير ما يلزمه. So it is to bring جملة المضارع and change it to what is appropriate. So تغير, غير means to change, تغير to be changed. ما يلزم, here ما is اسم موصولة and يلزم is what is appropriate. لازم, right, it comes from يلزم. So here's example. ماذا يريدان الطالبان الجديدان. So what do they want? So يريد means they want, and was the fa'il. It's looking for marfu, that is the marfu. الطالبان, two students, two new students. What do the two new students want? So يريدان, so we know يريد will have المصدر مؤول أن plus فعل مضارع منصوب. So how do we make mansubs for duals? Is by حذف نون. So يريدان أي يذهبا, أي يذهبا إلى المحجئ, to the center, to the hostel. يريدان, again those two want. أي, so we have got the fail here. يلعبان, so how to make منصوب بحذف نون. أي يلعبا كرة سلتي, so basketball. كرة سلتي, سلتي means basket. يريدان أي, so kahwa, what do you to kahwa? To drink. So to drink is أي يشربا, so alif مثنى says to the two people. يريدان أي يسمع الأخبار, so they want to listen to news. يريدان أي يجلسا أمام مدرسة, they want to sit in front of the teacher. So if you say here how to make mansoob, to you remove the noon. So we know how to make amr, mansoob, and see the pronouns here. أكمل كل جملة مما يأتي بضمير مناسب, so with ضمير مناسب. So let's see what is here. أرأيت, so we know all the verbs as well here, we're not going to go in detail. So did you see? So again here say طالبين الجديدين, so why we have أين is because this maf'ulun bihi mansubun alamatu nasbihi al-ya'u li'annahu musanna. So this is how you describe in grammatical terms. Ra'ayta, did you see 2 new students? So you say na'am, yes. Ra'aytu huma, so I saw them. So it is huma. Or qara'ta, so see qara'ta means in front of you, anta. Hatainil majallataini, see hadha, so majallatun is muannath, so hadhihi, and for dual it is hataini. So these magazines. So did you read these 2 magazines? Hataini majallataini, these 2 magazines. Naam. Qara'tu, again huma. So it's talking about the magazines. So for both, for the mudhakkar and muannas it is huma. So qala al-mudarrisu li hamidin wa sadiqihi. So the teacher said to Hamid and his friend, Ra'aytu, I saw you. So what will be the pronoun? So antuma will be pronoun which turns into kuma. Ra'aytu kuma fil masjidil barihata. So I saw you in the masjid last night or last evening. Qalat, see, and qalat, she said, al mudira li Zainab. So she said to Zainab wa Maryam. So now again to mudhakkar, now muannas is coming. Uridu an as'alu, uridu an as'ala is a mansub here. And we know antuma, both from feminine as well, it is kuma. So as'ala kuma an baladu. So I want to ask you, you know sa'ala always comes with an. So to ask you about your country or city. So that's all the exercises from the book. So inshallah, hopefully this will give us a good practice. So we will do another lesson, the last lesson, lesson number 31 in the next class. Until then, assalamu alaikum.